Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Nira Loan application. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you haven't installed the application already, then first of all you will need to install it by searching for it on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you install the application, just go ahead and open it up. And then you will be asked to select a language. Just go ahead and select your preferred language and then tap on the OK button. Now if you have any loan impending, then you will see this screen. Just simply tap on the Proceed button, and now you can tap on the Apply Now button to continue logging in. And now just tap on the checkbox and then press OK, I understand. You may be asked to provide access to various services, so go ahead and allow them. You will now be asked to enter your phone number. So just go ahead and type in your phone number and then tap on Get OTP. Now just check your phone messages and you will receive a message from Nira Loan, which contains your one-time password. After entering your one-time password, you will be asked to select your employment type. You can choose from salary or self-owned business. Just go ahead and select whichever option is suitable for you, and you may be asked further questions which you can select and fill in the information. Now tap on the Proceed button. Now you will need to type in your full name, your date of birth, your email address, your phone number, followed by your total work experience, and then the PIN code of your current residence area. After typing in all of these credentials, just tap on the Proceed button, and now you will be logged into your account with Nira Loan. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account with Nira Loan. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.